In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search on Google Classroom. Navigating the digital classroom can sometimes feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack, especially when you're looking for something specific among a sea of assignments, announcements, and materials. Fortunately, there's a clever workaround to help you quickly find what you need within Google Classroom. Let's dive into the steps to make your digital learning or teaching experience a bit smoother. Firstly, let's start with the very basics. Open your preferred internet browser and go to google.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. It's important to ensure you're logging into the Google account associated with your Google Classroom. This could be your personal account or one provided by your educational institution. After clicking Sign In, you will see a list of Google accounts you've previously used on this device. Choose the one that you use for Google Classroom. If it's your first time logging in on this device, you'll need to enter your email address manually. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type it in carefully and click on Next. You're almost there. Following successful login, look towards the top right corner of the Google homepage again. But this time for the Google Apps menu, it's symbolized by a grid of dots. Click on it. Among the array of Google's apps and services displayed, find and click on Google Classroom. It should take you straight to the heart of your digital classroom environment. Once inside Google Classroom, navigate to the home page if you're not already there. This can be easily done by clicking on the Home option or simply using the link provided. The home page is where you'll find your list of classes and announcements. Now here comes the nifty trick. Unfortunately, Google Classroom doesn't feature a built-in search function. A fact that surprises many. But don't worry, there's a workaround. If you're using a PC, simply press Ctrl and F on your keyboard simultaneously. Mac users, you'll press Command and F. This command opens the Find function in your web browser, a tool many of us are familiar with for searching text on web pages. After pressing Ctrl and F, a small search box will appear, typically at the top or bottom of your browser window. Here you can type in any keyword related to what you're searching for within Google Classroom. It could be the title of an assignment, part of a lecture's name, or a specific document. As you start typing, the browser will highlight instances where this keyword appears on the current page, allowing you to quickly jump to the relevant section or item. It's important to remember that this method is a bit like a broad net. It searches the text displayed on your current page. So if the item you're looking for is in a different class or section of Google Classroom that isn't currently displayed, you may need to navigate there first before conducting your search. One more tip, while Google Classroom doesn't have its own search function, mastering the use of browser search capabilities can save you a tremendous amount of time and help keep your digital learning environment more manageable. Practice this technique to become more efficient in navigating not only Google Classroom, but also any web page that contains a lot of information. Now, that wasn't so hard, was it? With this simple workaround, searching in Google Classroom is straightforward and quick. This little trick transforms a potential point of frustration into a smooth flowing part of your online educational journey. Keep this in mind as you continue to navigate your courses, and you'll find it much easier to locate the information you need when you need it. Remember, whether you're a student trying to keep track of assignments or a teacher organizing numerous class materials, efficiency is key. And now you've got one more technique in your digital tool belt to help make your Google Classroom experience that much smoother. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial not only saves you time, but also enhances your Google Classroom experience. Happy learning and see you in the next video.